Alright, hey guys, I'm here back with a new video, and today's video is going to be the YEEZY static reflectives live cop, the 350s, the reflectives, the YEEZY supply exclusives. Rumors first was that it would be around 3 a.m. Eastern time, but then they changed it to 12 p.m. Eastern time, and YEEZY supply actually announced that, which means it's going to be botted like crazy, but we'll have to see how I do. So not much I can say. I made a how to cop guide, which I wish I uploaded like a day before the drop, just because there's so much more stuff I would have updated with you guys. Like obviously this time and a bypass jig for the queue. But you guys will see that in the live cop if I end up copying the shoe. Otherwise, I'm not gonna upload this. And next time something's dropping on YEEZY Supply, I'll definitely make a queue bypass jig. Let's really hope I caught these. 9 a.m. Pacific time. Not much else I can say. But anyways, I'll see you guys right before the drop. Okay, guys, so the YEEZY Supply password page just went up a minute ago. Kind of scared now, you know. I was expecting it would go up around 30 minutes before the drop. Let's see if this stays up for a while, or if it's gonna be before 9 a.m. Pacific time, 12 p.m. Eastern time. I'm really hyped. But anyways, I'll just get back to you guys in a little bit. Yeah, so we got about a little under 2 minutes now. Let's just start spamming that bookmark button like I mentioned in the how to cop video. Again, I really wish I could have made an updated one, but I just couldn't have. There wasn't enough time. Not many people would actually watch it. But I'll definitely make an updated one. How to bypass the queue if this jig works that I have. How to cop on YEEZY Supply. Little over a minute now left. Gotta make the new tab. Alright, so under 1 minute, so now we start with the new tab, and we start hitting that refresh bookmark, you know. Sorry if I go a little quiet during the drop, I'm just trying to cop this really bad. It's gonna start going up a little, probably a few seconds before the drop. I wouldn't even be surprised. Oh no. Oh no. No, what is happening? What? Are you kidding me? Why is this not working? Oh no. Bro. Dude, why? Did this really just have to happen to me like that? What just happened? But oh my god, finally it's up, it's up. I'm trying to click purchase. It's not clicking. Oh, I actually got through. This jig worked. Oh my god. I might actually get this. I skipped the queue thing. I click complete order. It made me run a CAPTCHA even though I'm signed in right now. Come on, let me check out. I'm assuming people are probably in the queue. I don't know. Oh, so it's actually $220, not $240. That's pretty crazy, honestly. Oh, yes, continue to payment. Hopefully other people are in the queue right now, so I'm actually, like, being fast or something. Okay, so this Shopify failed on that one. Come on. Yes, complete order, bro. What? Oh my god, dude. This is a really bad release. It's probably sold out though, because there's always some lucky people that will get through. Why isn't this working? Okay, so something's loading. Let's see what it is. Come on. Oh my god, come on, it's being processed. Let me get this, let me get this. No way, dude. I'm gonna be so happy. It's processing. Hopefully everyone else had to go in the queue because I actually found, because, oh, no, 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 no. Why? Okay, it's processing again. I feel like I deserve to have copped this, but like, just the crazy lag is the reason I didn't get this. Oh, what is it gonna go back to? Something's wrong. It's loading up here. What? Oh! I copped this! I copped it! I got these! Are you kidding me? Are you telling me I just got this? Order confirmed. We've accepted your order and we're getting it ready. Come back to this page for updates on your order status. And at the top it says thank you for your purchase. Dude, let's go! I just copped this. Are you kidding me? We went through that lag. We actually got this. There's no way. Oh, I'm so happy right now, dude. You guys have no idea. Alright, I'm just gonna like stop the screen recording and get back to you guys. Oh, guys, I actually got this. We actually got this 10.5 right here. Obviously, I went for 10.5 because it's the most common size. But I know I reacted like super crazy when I actually copped it. But now, like, I'm not too happy. Like, I'm obviously happy, but I'm not like super happy just because I know that YEEZY Supply might cancel my order. So I'm really scared that they'll cancel it actually. I'm just really, really hoping that I cop this. That it goes through fully. But anyways, we actually cooked this up, guys. I'm actually gonna like put up this video right now. So, it might, like, I might get my order canceled after this video goes up, but at least you guys know that it is possible to cop from YEEZY Supply. I'll definitely make that video where I show how to bypass that queue, because that was just insane, guys. I actually got this 10.5 right here. Oh, we worked through that lag, guys. This was such a bad release, if I'm gonna be honest. So much lag, but somehow, I guess I just somehow got through one order. So I'm super happy with that. I really, really hope you guys copped. Please, please let me know if you guys copped it. If you took an L, was there lots of lag? Did you even try for it? Anything like that. Definitely leave your feedback in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Then, of course, like, subscribe, and share my channel and the video. I would be really, really, really appreciated. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.